Hello friends, today we will learn about new service of AWS called as Identity Access Management or IAM. So basically IAM service mainly deals with managing user identities and controlling access to resources within an organization. IAM service ensures the right people have the right access to the right resources. This helps to prevent unauthorized access and maintain data security. So today we will simply create one user and one role in IAM, and we will also attach that role to one of the EC2 instance. Then we will take the access of S3 bucket from that EC2 instance. So first open the AWS management console and click on IAM service. This is the dashboard of IAM. In the left menu, click on user, click create user, enter the name for the user. I am entering Bob. Then click on provide user access to the AWS management console, so he can access the management console. Then I want to create an IAM user and we will auto generate the password. Click on next. Here if you want to add any permission, we will skip this, click next, and last click on create user. So here your user has been created and you can download the password file for recovery of the user. Bob user has come here. Now we will create one role. So go back to the IAM dashboard. Here in the left menu, click on roles. Click on create role. Now you will select the use case. So we are using for EC2. Select EC2. Click on next. Now we will need to add the permission. So we will give the admin access for that EC2. Click on next. Enter the name for the role. You can enter any name. So I am entering EC2 full access. Now in last, click on create role. So your role has been creating. Go to the dashboard. Here you can see the role has been created, EC2 full access. Now we will launch one instance. So click on launch instance. Enter the name. I am entering EC2 full access. Select the key pair and open the port HTTPS. Click on launch instance. Now we will attach the role to the EC2 instance. Select the instance. Click on actions. Click on security. Modify IAM role. Select the new role and click on update IAM role. Now we need to take the access of this EC2 instance. So select the instance, click on connect, copy the key, paste it in terminal. So our instance has been connected. Now we will configure AWS. So run the command AWS configure. It will ask for access key. So go to the AWS management console. In the right hand side, click on security credential. Here we need to generate the access key. So click on create access key. Acknowledge this. Now access key has been generated. We will copy that key and paste it into the terminal. Now secret access key. Copy that secret access key, paste it here. Region keep it default, output default. Now we will list the bucket, S3 bucket. So I have already created one bucket and we will run this command AWS S3 API list bucket. So this is my bucket YT AWS. So here you can see the bucket has come. So finally we have got full admin access for this EC2 instance. You can access all AWS service from this instance. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos.